where you guys are repetitively making the same mistake all the time, and that's why most of you guys don't never make it. You never reach your full potential. You never escape. You never get your first payout, pass your first evaluation phase. So mainly, usually, most of the time, there's these three main factors, these three main scenarios that all of you guys fall into. All of you guys fall into, and trust me, like I've been there, I've been in all of these places, and it's mentally it goes against what you've been taught since you were like a kid, growing up, and like it goes against your psychology, your mental psychology, and that's why a lot of people, a lot of traders mess up and just try to kind of play it safe or play it too risky, or they're just out of they're not simple. So these three scenarios are like, you guys know what I'm talking about. So first of all, we have the revenge trader, the revenge spiral. So there's a lot of traders that go through this spiral, and what happens is you get overwhelmed by emotions. You're looking down. You have no patience. You're entering bad entries. Listen. Imagine you were to take a trade. You were to take a trade, and it failed. You entered again. It failed. You entered again. It failed. The first time you entered, you predicted the market. You said, okay, market's gonna go up. Market's bullish. It was bearish. It was bearish. You lost that trade. You think that, oh, like I'm right, the market is wrong. Like, the market is always right. Like, you trying to prove that you know what the market is gonna do. Like, okay, yeah, it's time. The market's gonna go up now. Like, you already, like, your confluences said the market is gonna go up. That means market has to go up. But listen, once you fail that trade, like, sometimes it doesn't go your way. Everyone loses. Like, that doesn't mean you have to force the trade until it works, because you're only looking at the reward. You're only looking at the profits. You're not looking at the losses. You're not looking at what you're gonna lose. You're taking the same trade, betting on you being right. You have to take your loss, come back later when there's another like really good entry, and you go in, because then you're just over trading, entering, but you have bad entries. Your confidence is dropping. You're losing so many trades, and all of these go into like your mental, like they mess up with bro, they just mess you up, bro. Like, you guys are gonna be looking at the charts later on. You're gonna feel down. You're gonna feel like like you don't know what you're doing. Like, you can't read the markets as good. Like, something's wrong. Like they're following your stop. Like, they know where your stop losses are, bro. They don't. You guys are just taking trades every day, over trading. You're forcing trades. You shouldn't be forcing trades. And yeah, you just, like, once you stop all of these stuff that I'm telling you about, you're gonna realize how easy, how quickly, eh, like, you're going to improve and become better. Because like a lot of people, like, they wake up, okay, tomorrow, like, say today was Friday, market closed. Oh, market closed, bro. Sunday, as soon as market opens, yes, 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 we can trade, we can trade. They don't see good entries. They don't see their confirmed entries, but they still go in. They say, oh, price is gonna leave without me, there's an opportunity. No, it's not. You haven't seen your entry. How can you be profitable if you're not following your rules and your your strategy? You're not taking perfect trades. You're taking bad trades, trading off emotions. And yeah, the second one that I want to dwell into is a hesitant trader. Like, there's a lot of traders, and I know you guys, like I've been there. Like, okay, say for instance, I wanted to catch a 1 to 4, and my win rate was, say, 40. Say my win rate was 40%. Okay, So I need to normally lose about like 2.5 times until like I win once, but my win is worth 4 times my loss. So I'm losing 2.5, but I'm winning 4, if you know what I mean. So you guys that, for example, okay, you bought, price went down, you're 50 down, okay, it went up, now you're getting scared, you're like, even though you're in profit, you're rethinking, you're like, oh, is this correct? Is price gonna go there? I don't think price is gonna go there. You guys have literally zero trust in your plan. Your fear is overwhelming your logic. You're just creating dangers. You're creating imaginary walls that just hinder your progress. So, bro, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but like, you guys are not getting, like, if you caught that trade correctly, okay, price went up, you you took all your money out halfway, or 40% in, you took 75% out. Once price hits your TP, yeah, like, if you take all your money out, price hits your TP, you literally have to watch you be right but not make any money in the market, because a lot of people, they're like, okay, price is bullish. Like, I've been there. My friend, for example, he started before me. Like, he was profitable before I started trading, and basically, like, there would be instances where we would take the same trade, the same entry. He would make money. I would I wouldn't make money. I'd either be at break even, or I'd either lose money. So that was the difference. Like, he would be making money, I would be losing money, even though we had the same entry on the same trade. So you guys just need to, like, get rid of these imaginary walls. Like, for example, if you have 50%, let it play out. Let it play out, either stop loss or TP. You don't have to be scared. Like, go do something. You guys are watching the charts. The charts literally, they literally move slowly. They move so slow that, like, it starts making you question, like, is this really gonna happen? Oh, I'm tired. Should I take my money out? I don't want to watch the markets no more. Bro, take your trade and fully commit to it. And fully commit to it. Like, sometimes I would take my trades and I would just leave it like that. Either stop loss, either, yeah, like, TP or stop loss. Like, I just leave it for TP or stop loss. And yeah, that's what you guys should start doing. And like, the third thing that I was gonna talk about was, what was the third thing I was gonna talk about? So basically, yeah, I remember. So, strategy hoppers. So there's a lot of these guys who, like, okay, you try the strategy for, say, 2 days, 1 to 2 days, and you're like, bro, this doesn't work. Uh, yeah, I tried the strategy for 2 days, doesn't work. I'm gonna move on to the next. You're always looking for this holy grail, but you're never gonna find it. You're never gonna find a strategy that just clicks like that. Like, have you backtested that strategy for over 100 trades? Have you taken real life trades? Have you taken over like 100 real life trades, for example, with that strategy to see its profitability? You haven't. You just tried it once or twice, and now you're blaming the strategy, not blaming yourself. If you keep on switching strategies, then you never truly start. Like, imagine building a house and you stop 2% in and move on to the next house. By the time you reach your 50th house, you would still be 2% through building a house, but you would not have built any houses, while someone else would have been done with their first house. They would have been profitable, making money. You're still at the bottom because you keep on resetting your progress. You keep on resetting your progress. You have no mastery. You get frustrated. This doesn't work. Your confidence is down. Like, you guys just need to stick to one plan, one strategy, one time zone. Like, Like, you guys can't be trading, flipping Asia session, London and New York at the same time. Like, you guys have to be consistent. It's like, stop resetting your progress. You haven't got enough data yet. Like, it goes like, you can't just start and hope for this. Like, a lot of people think that trading is all about quick money. Trading is not about quick money. That's why a lot of people fail. A lot of people say that, oh, uh, I didn't make money. Uh, yeah, I didn't make money. This doesn't work. Like, risk management, if you have no risk management, you've already failed. Everyone goes on losing streaks, but everyone goes on losing streaks, but you're not on a losing streak forever. And also, you're not on a winning streak forever. For example, some people have like 75% win rates. They still go on, we could say, 4 losses in a row, like once in a while, like once in some time, and it pushes them down mentally. But still, like, you shouldn't let that push you down. You should be like, you should have trust in your strategy. But how are you going to get that if you keep on switching strategies? And also, with bad risk management, you can never succeed, because once you get that 4 losses in a row, your account's done. You lost 50% of your account. You can't be having bad risk. Like, I would recommend 1 to 3%. 1 to 3% risk. I mean, if you have a small account, uh use probably 5, but don't use 20%, 50% risk, bro. You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that. So yeah, without, you guys need psychology, strategy. You guys need your risk management. Like, these are all stuff that like I spoke about today. I didn't dwell into risk management that much, but it wasn't one of the 3 scenarios, because I was talking about scenarios, not like stuff you need. Like, I could have said psychology, but then I went into psychology, if you know what I mean. But you guys just need to, like, everything I just said, all of these are just 80% of trading. Like, you're already up there. You just need to do these, get over these mental barriers. You just need to surpass them, and you're gonna be surprised like how quick you progress. So I mean, it's all up to you guys. I mean, like, a lot of you guys, you're just praying for the dopamine. You're just waiting, like, over trading. You just want that dopamine. You're trading because you want that feeling, like, oh, I could make this. I could win that. You're not looking at your losses. You need to look at both sides. You need to be logical. You need to be logical. You're just waiting. You just want the bigger win. You just want more. You can never succeed in trading with that. You have to take it slowly, step by step, everything in check. Once you have your perfect setup, you go in. You don't have your perfect setup, you don't go in. Market's bad, news is bad, there's bad news, CPI or something, you don't trade. You don't trade that day. Like, it's not that hard. You guys just need to overcome your mental barriers, and then everything is gonna be fine. And yeah, I know it goes against your, like how you view everything, but how you view trading, how you view the markets, but like how you view money, but like, you just have to go through that, and success is on the other side. Like, a lot of people think work ethic is what you need. Like, oh, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna take so many trades, but that's just dragging you back. You need to wait for your perfect setup. Be be patient, and setups are gonna come to you, and you take what you're given. That's why the best traders take like 5 trades a month, 10 trades a month. They don't overtrade like a lot of you guys who are just trading for the fun of it. So yeah, I hope this helps. And like, I see you guys, like, it's a Saturday, so I see you guys probably tomorrow or maybe on Monday. I mean, I'm trying to do a video a day. I'm trying to do a video a day, documenting like kind of everything. Like you guys are basically my journal right now. So I'll probably do a video tomorrow, and definitely most likely, like very likely, to make a video on Monday. So I'll see you guys, and yeah, peace.